In the diagram, O is the center of a circle of radius 5 centimeters. If the angle POS is 60 degrees, what is the area of the shaded sector? This is a multiple choice question, and so we will solve the question, and after that we will pick the correct option. The question says that the radius of the circle is 5 centimeters, so we have the radius to be 5 centimeters. The unshaded sector has an angle of 60 degrees. The sum of the angles around a point is 360 degrees. So if the unshaded sector has an angle of 60 degrees, then the angle of the shaded sector will be 360 degrees minus 60 degrees, which will give us 300 degrees. So the angle of the shaded sector is 300 degrees. The question wants us to find the area of the shaded sector. The area of the shaded sector will be given by the formula theta divided by 360 degrees times pi r squared, where theta is the angle of the sector, so in this case angle of the shaded sector, which is 300 degrees, and r is the radius of the circle, which is given to us as 5 centimeters. If we look at our options, we can see that all of them are in terms of pi. So what it means is that we are going to find our answer in terms of pi. And so we have theta to be 300 degrees divided by 360 degrees times pi times r is 5 centimeters. So we have 5 centimeters squared. And this gives us 300 degrees divided by 360 degrees times pi times 5 centimeters squared will give us 25 centimeters squared. 300 degrees divided by 360 degrees times 25 will give us 125 divided by 6. We have pi here and the unit is centimeters squared. 125 divided by 6, when we convert it to mixed fractions, we will have 20 whole number 5 divided by 6. We have pi here and the unit is centimeters squared. So it means that the area of the shaded sector is 20 whole number 5 divided by 6 pi centimeters squared. When you look through the options, you can see that the correct option is A.